There was a pre-trial conference for the man arrested in connection with the 1978 double murder cold case in West Springfield. 22 News reporter Claire Overton has the latest information on what happens now.
There was a brief pre-trial conference at the Springfield District Court Thursday morning for Timothy Scott Joley, the man who was arrested back in October of 2024 in connection to a 1978 cold case. On November 19, 1978, the bodies of 18-year-old Teresa Marcoux and 20-year-old Mark Harnish were found shot to death outside of Harnish's pickup truck and over a guardrail at the old rest stop on Route 5 in West Springfield. Timothy Joley first appeared in court on December 2nd for his arraignment, and while he was not in court for the pretrial conference, both sides were able to determine the next steps. His defense attorney and the prosecutor were able to agree upon upcoming court dates, the first being next week, for a motion for mandatory discovery, which will examine the evidence being the fingerprint match. Back in 1978, police found a partial fingerprint and what they believed to be blood on the passenger vent window of Harnish's truck. Despite running it through the criminal database and manually checking it against over 70,000 fingerprints, no match was ever made. Then in October of 2024, an anonymous individual contacted the Hampden County District Attorney's Office and gave them the name Timothy Joley. Investigators were able to compare the fingerprint on the truck to Joley's fingerprint on his taxicab license application from the year 2000.
Each investigator determined that the fingerprint originated from Timothy Joley's left thumb.
An arrest warrant was issued on October 29th, and the following day, Joley was arrested at his residence in Clearwater, Florida. Joley is currently being held without the right to bail. Working for you, Claire Overton, 22 News.